Greetings, adventurers. It's Toolsday with GM Comfortable Gray. Today, I'm showing you how I installed Foundryborne on my account. This is still in development, so there's not an official install option, but you can still install it and play it on yours, and that's what I'm going to be doing for running some upcoming Daggerheart one-shots. First, you're going to need to go to the Foundryborne website, read all of their disclosures, and my additional disclosure is that I'm not a coder. I'm really just dipping my toes into this stuff. I'm decent with macros on Foundry, but I don't fully know what I do, so proceed with caution, because I don't want you to harm your computer or anything like that, and I will not be held accountable for anything you do with my advice here. Proceed with caution. Then you're going to need to export this into your Foundry data/systems folder, and then rename it from Daggerheart main to Daggerheart. Then here in the Foundryborne's Git, it says to do this thing. I had to do some Googling, and I had to install Node.js, and I installed all the dependencies because I assume I wanted it to work. It took me about 15 minutes. And then this advice is specific to Windows. So hold your window button, press R, then type in cmd. It's going to give up your prompt. You're going to change directory cd in order to get to your Daggerheart folder. Then use the command npm install. This is going to create the package, which is actually going to be directing the rest of the Daggerheart's information through Foundry. I don't really understand what's going on here. I'm not that type of wizard. And then in that package.json, you're going to need to change this line to something that's going to take to your directory. You're basically telling it where we're starting from, where's the information for this Foundry system. Otherwise, even though you have it in the folder, it doesn't know where to pick it up and how to show it as a system for you to build off of. This is the template I'm using. It's really just for the default installation of Foundry, basically. If you have any tweaks on there, then you're going to have to modify that yourself. But this worked for me after a bunch of trial and error. Then go back to your command, npm start for developers, and that's it. Now it should be appearing in your Foundry. We're going to be spending a couple more weeks on Tuesdays just diving into this and my preparation for the one-shots. Do you want to play in the Daggerheart Quick Start, or do you want to try some other Daggerheart adventures? Please let me know in the comments. Happy gaming to you.